PumpAI Coin just skyrocketed over 190% in 24 hours, reaching around $0.000505. With trading volume crossing $4 million, investor interest is clearly heating up. The trigger? A token unlock event, where about 189 million tokens were released, just 0.19% of the total supply. That alone stirred serious market activity. Right now, the fear and greed index for PumpAI sits at 61, meaning investors are feeling greedy, and that often signals more upward movement. So where could PumpAI go next? Coin Codex predicts up to $0.000389 by 2025. CoinLore is aiming higher, as much as $0.0040. Digital coin price sees it reaching $0.00107, while Next expects around $0.00265. Even the most cautious forecasts show strong potential returns. But remember, crypto pumps like this can be full-woozed by corrections. The market is volatile. Always do your own research and know your risk tolerance. That said, PumpAI's community-driven approach and upcoming exchange listings are making it one of the most watched coins right now. If you want to keep up with PumpAI and other breakout coins, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell. More updates coming soon, don't miss them.